What's the meaning of add? Add. 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 Add is a mathematical operation that combines two or more values to produce a sum. When you add numbers together, the result is the total of those numbers combined. For example, if you add 5 and 7, the result would be 12. Addition is a basic arithmetic operation and is used in many different areas of mathematics, science, engineering, finance, and everyday life. It is also an essential skill for children to learn in early education. By understanding how to add, we can calculate totals, solve problems, and make informed decisions based on data. Adding is a fundamental mathematical concept that has many real-world applications.